Okay, so we're gonna change things up with today's vlog. I'm gonna show you the car meet footage first, even though it happened at the end of the day, and then just my daily activities. Also, I want to say thanks to anybody that watched the last few vlogs and have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate that. I got a couple words of encouragement. I just want to say I really do appreciate that. If anyone wants to give me any suggestions or any comments or constructive criticism, anything, I'll take it. But yeah, thanks a lot, and enjoy the video. All right, I'm at a light chilling, about to go pick up my friend. Dude, I've already seen a lot of cars on the road. It's kind of exciting. It's car meet day, yo. All right, let's check it out. Throw my car in the vid. Lip on lip, action. No, you're good. I love that. I didn't see this BMW thing. Is there a thing? You looked. Yep. Yeah. Is something same manifolds or back? Back inside. Okay, so the mission for today, get the car inspected. buy a Father's Day gift, wash the car meet. So it's a full day. Honestly, I hate getting my cars inspected because you have to let the inspector drive them. And that sucks, dude. I just don't like letting somebody drive this. Because last time, the dude put a huge scratch in the side of my steering wheel. This is that scratch I was talking about. It's not very big, but it's not nothing. It's like not that big of a deal, but it's still like, dude, like you're mandated by the state to let somebody else drive your car and then they scratch your steering wheel. And Evo steering wheels, they're not easy to come by and they're not cheap. And I had replaced this one before then because the steering wheel was so dry rotted and sun beaten. And especially now with COVID and stuff, like, dude, I don't want to let someone drive this. So maybe they have something in place for that, but we'll see. This place gives out free popcorn, which is why I go to them. They have like this little popcorn machine with free popcorn. I'm assuming because it's COVID that that's not going to be a case, which, all right. But if it is, that'll be kind of cool. But if I'm worried about someone getting in my car because COVID, I probably shouldn't be eating their popcorn. Anyway, sorry I'm ranting. Let's go. I saved your life. The inspection place's inspection computer was down. So no COVID popcorn today. Hopefully if I get pulled over, police are a little lenient because it's COVID. It's only a month out of date. My inspection's only a month out of date, so I've been putting it off because I don't want to let someone drive it, but oh well. Anyway, so now we're at Lowe's to get a Father's Day gift, and I'm on the hunt for a push broom, and this is why. My dad's the type of guy that he won't throw away anything unless it's like absolutely useless. I guess my whole family's kind of like that. So when I asked him what he wanted for Father's Day, he said nothing. So I'm gonna get him something he doesn't realize he needs. And that's a push broom. Let's go. Here I am. Got leaves in my grill, trash in my grill. But I parked next to Cool STI. It's kind of dirty too. And then look over here. An EM1 SI, that's so sick. And it looks all stock. God damn. Because, dude, the other day, apparently some dude's Del Sol got jacked out of a parking lot while he was in the mall. While he's in a mall. That's fucking so whack, dude. Why can people not take things that aren't theirs? It kind of gets me paranoid about driving the CRX around places. I don't park it outside for like I'd never do that. Like over an extended period of time, but I've taken it places like a mall and gone inside. Anyway, just kind of scary. And all these brooms are kind of jacked up. The bristles are all messed up, but I think I found one that's pretty good. And it's red, look, racy. It's very racy. Race inspired. They got this nice wood one. But dude, I think I'm gonna go with the red. Same. Dude, I just want to know, how did that get in there? How did it get all the way in there? I swear, birds hate this car. Got the hood popped because I'm drying off all the water that kind of seeped through the body lines and the hood vent. So I figured I'd talk about my plans for the Evo. Right now I've just got intake, upper intercooler piping, high flow cat exhaust. That's pretty much it for the mods. Solid shifter bushings. I love it the way it is. I kind of want a little more power out of it, so I was thinking of doing a boost controller and a tune. I think that would be plenty for me. Also, I want to get a short throw shifter because I just put in a rebuilt transmission
and a lightweight flywheel. And I love the way it shifts, but the throws just feel a little too long now, especially compared to the CRX, which has a B&M short throw shifter. I really like that, so I just kind of want to go through it with a short throw on this car. But for my immediate plans, I want to do a little paint correction. I don't know if you can see, but it's getting a little faded. Maybe that's like, you'd consider that oxidized. It's a little pink in some areas. I just kind of want to bring back its shine. It looks good on camera, and it looks good after just getting a wash, but it's definitely pink in some areas. When I originally bought this car, it was very pink. And after some paint correction, it came out great. Brought it back to life. Here's a little update for those who watched the JDM turn signal video on my channel. This is what it looks like after 3 years. So I updated the description on that video that I recommend you use some form of UV coating. I'm sorry that I didn't know that at the time, but I didn't know that at the time. If you don't have a garage kept car, the fading would probably happen quicker. So yeah, so my plan is to repaint these and then put ceramic coating on them to hopefully prevent fading.